In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create due date automations in Trello. Let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open your web browser to navigate to Trello.com. Once you're there, if you haven't logged in already, you'll need to click on the login button. You can see this option in the top right corner of the page. After you click, you'll be greeted with options to log in using your email or your Google account. Simply select your preferred method and enter your credentials. It's quick, easy, and Trello does a great job of keeping your information secure. After you're logged in, you'll want to visit your boards. You can do this by clicking on Boards in the navigation bar. It's where you'll find all the boards associated with your workspace. Under the section titled Your Workspaces, you'll see a collection of whatever boards you're involved with. Go ahead and click on the board with which you want to automate due dates. Once your chosen board is open, look for the three dots, often referred to as an options menu or an ellipsis, usually found in the top right area of the page. Clicking on this will reveal a menu. From this menu, you select Automation. This is the hub where you'll set various automations to streamline your workflow. Within the automation menu, look for and click on Rules. This is where you'll find all the rules you've previously set up, or where you can create a new one. Once there, you'll want to click on the button labeled Create Automation. This option is your gateway to setting up new processes that will save you time and keep you organized. Now, you'll start by clicking on plus add trigger. Triggers are what prompt a specific action, so they're a critical part of setting up these automations. You'll see an option called dates. Click on that, as we're focusing on due date related automations today. Once you've clicked on dates, you will need to specify who the action applies to. For our example, go ahead and click on by anyone. This broad selection ensures that anytime anyone interacts with your cards, the automation is triggered. Next, click on the plus icon to add this trigger to your automation setup. This confirms that you want this to be part of the rule you're creating. Moving forward, let's say when the due date arrives, you want a card to move. You'll need to choose Move from the actions list, then specify where it moves to by clicking on List Name. For our purposes today, imagine the card moves to a Done list. Select Done and again, click the plus icon to integrate this action into your rule. Finally, with everything in place, click on the Save button to finalize your automation. Now your Trello board will automatically move tasks to the Done list when the due date hits. It's a small setup with massive productivity gains when used correctly. Well done. You've just enhanced your Trello board with a bit of automation magic.